So our second question is, we have been given focus over here 5 comma negative 2, and we have been given vertex 9 comma negative 2, and what I'm having is I'm having my steps over here. So let's start doing this problem over here. So what I will do first of all is, they have been given to me, so what I have to do is I have to write the equation of the parabola. So I will plot this. So I will plot. So the reason why I'm plotting my parabola over here is it gives me an idea which equation I will use from these two over here. You see, so those are technically 4, but any of these, which one we will use, whether we use x minus h whole square is equal to 4p y minus k, or y minus k whole square is equal to 4p x minus h. So let's do this problem. So my vertex is 9 comma 2, so this is my 9 over here, and I'm assuming that's my negative 2 over here. So this is my vertex over here. So let's plot this vertex. Now after this, we have been given focus is what, 5 comma negative 2. So let's assume this is my 5 over here, this is my negative 2, so this is my focus over here. Okay, so we got this one over here. So now what is from this, what I came to know is my parabola, looking at this, will be opening to the left side over here. So if it is opening to the left side, what will happen is, in this case, what, my 4p will be negative. So let me write my equation over here. It will be my y minus now do keep in mind, since it's going to the left, we will be using this equation over here. So y minus k, let me write the equation, y minus k square is equal to 4p x minus h. In this case, this is your h, this is your k over here. So be mindful of when you are inputting the values over here. This is your square is equal to 4p. I do not know what is p, so this is my step over here. So to complete this equation, I need is the value of p. So what is your p? P is the distance from the vertex, I'm reading from here, from the vertex to the focus. So this is our focus, this is your vertex, this is your focus. So this distance over here. So what is this distance? This is 9, this is 5, so this distance is 4. So what is my value of p? P is my 4 over here. So what I will do is, I will come over here and I will replace this p by what? 4 over here. So my final answer will be y plus 2 whole square is equal to 4 times 4 is 16 x minus 9. So this is my equation of a parabola with the given information of focus y 5 comma negative 2 and vertex 9 comma negative 2. Now our next question is, write the equation of the parabola in the standard form. So what is our standard form? We are having 4 equations over there. X minus h square is equal to 4p y minus k. So this was my x minus h whole square is equal to 4p y minus k. Or it can be like this, y minus k whole square. Let's go away, let's check again over here. It's yours y minus k whole square is equal to 4p. Y minus k whole square is equal to 4p x minus h. So either or, in this one equation we will be over here. So question is asking from us, write the equation of the parabola in standard form. I will not be using these steps over here. I will just simplify this. So, and when you look at this problem over here, I can see my y is square, but my x is not a square. So this really gives me a general idea that my equation should be in this form over here. So what I will do is, I will bring let's not read these steps over here. I will bring all of my y terms on one side and x on one side. So I will keep since this y is negative, I will move to the other side. So on my left side, I will be left over with 4x minus 44. But when I'm shifting this y square over here, what I'm doing is, I'm adding y square on both the sides. So this will be y square, this will be cancelled out, and I'm adding 8y to both the sides. Let me write all the steps over here. So this is like this, negative y square plus 4x minus 8y minus 44 is equal to 0. Now do keep in mind, what I'm trying to do is, I'm trying to write my equation in this form over here. So what I will do is, I will add y square to both the sides over here, because I'm trying to bring my y terms on one side and my x terms on one side. I'm adding 8y to both the sides over here. So on my left side, I'm left with 4x minus 44 is equal to y square plus 8y. Alright, so after this what, so I can see over here this is a perfect square. How I can make it a perfect square? I will take my middle term, which is my 8, I will divide this by 2 and I will take the square over here. So when I do this, I need to do the same step over here also, because this is my equation. I have to balance the equation. So next step will be 4x minus 44, and this is your 16. 8 divided by 2 is 4, that's your 16 plus 16. This is your y square plus 8y plus 16. So in this part you can subtract these, so it will be 4x minus 28, and this one will be y plus 4 whole square. So it is y square plus 8y plus 16, yes. Now you can see this, our equation is coming in this term of general term over here in the standard form. So what I can do is I can rewrite it like this: y plus 4 whole square is equal to 4, and I took 4 as common over here, and I got my equation of parabola in standard form over here. So this is something which I did. Now do keep in mind I have not used these steps over here. Those are for different type of question. Okay, let's try one more question over here. So now this question over here says we have to still write the equation of parabola in the standard form over here. Okay, so let's start working on this problem. So what will happen over here is I know my equation of parabola in the standard form, it looks like this: x minus h whole square is equal to 4p y minus k, or it can be in this form also over here: y minus k whole square is equal to 4p x minus h. So now when I am looking at this question over here, I can see my x term is a square, so it gives me a general idea this is the equation which my final answer should look like. So let's go ahead and proceed. So this is my x square plus 4x is equal to this. So what I will do is I need to make it a perfect square over here. So x square plus 4x, now take the middle number, which is your 4, and divide by 2 and take the square of this. This is how we write something in a perfect square. Now remember, this is the equation, so you need to do the same step on both the sides over here, which I did over here. So now my next step will be x square plus 4x plus this is your 2 square is 4. Now do keep in mind we are not using these steps for these problems over here. Okay, we are not doing these steps. Negative y plus 1 is equal to, sorry, this should be yours, plus 4. So this is my plus 4 over here. So I'm doing the remaining steps over here. This is 4. So on left side, since it is a perfect square, it will be x plus 2 whole square over here. And this is your negative y plus 5. Now if in case you want to know how I got this perfect square over here is from this step, I'm doing this part also over here. So how you do is how you factorize. You're looking for two numbers. On adding, it gives you the middle term over here, and the same two numbers on multiplying gives you the last number, that's your 4. So middle number is 4, last number is 4. So I came with two numbers over here. 2 plus 2 is 4. 2 times 2 is 4. So this just to let you know that my factors will be x plus 2 and x plus 2. This is how I got x plus 2 whole square. So now I can see I have this part over here, x plus 2 whole square, but this part is missing. So I will rewrite it. It is your x plus 2 whole square, and I will take a negative 1 common over here. Or negative 1 common, it will become like this: y minus 5. Or my answer is x plus 2 in the standard form, negative sign, y minus 5. That's my equation of a parabola in standard form over here. Okay, let's practice one more question over here. I found one more question. Let's do this one also over here. So we are doing still the same thing, writing the equation of parabola in a standard form. So negative y square, this is my question, plus 2x plus 2y minus 9 is equal to 0. Now do keep in mind what we are doing is we are writing the equation of a parabola standard form, and it will be coming either in this form over here, x minus h whole square is equal to 4p y minus k whole, this one, or it will be in this form over here, y minus k whole square is equal to 4p x minus h. So looking at this problem, I am able to figure out, because since my square is on y, my equation of parabola should be in this form over here. This should be the form, my equation of parabola. So let's go ahead. I will bring my x terms on one side, I will keep my y terms on the other side. So what I will do is I will add y square on both the sides. So when I do this, what happens is this gets cancelled out. and again I'm doing subtracting 2y on both the sides. So my next step looks like this: 2x minus 9 is equal to y square minus 2y. Now I need to make it a perfect square. So what I will do is I will add the middle term and I will divide by 2 and I will take the square of this. Now whatever I do on my right side, I have to do the same step on my left side also. So negative 2 divided by 2 whole square. So I will rearrange and write it properly: 2x minus 9, and this will give me negative 2 divided by 2 is negative 1, and then the square is what? Plus 1 over here. On this side it will be same thing: negative 2 divided by 2 is negative 1, and you take the whole square of that, that's your plus 1 over here. Okay, so this part, when I will simplify this, it will be 2x minus 8, and this part over here it will be y minus 1 whole square. Again, for this part over here we are using the same steps. Okay, you are looking for two term numbers. On adding gives you the middle number, on multiplying gives you the last number over here. So this should be yours. So your factors are y minus 1, which gives you y minus 1 whole square. Okay, does it look like this? Yes, it's kind of, but we can see over here 4p, we don't see, so I'll rearrange it. So y minus 1 whole square, I will take 2 common over here, or that's my answer. So this is my equation of parabola in the standard form over here.